Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set a Honda CRV timing chain. First, you'll need to gather all your tools, including a torque wrench and the new timing chain kit. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning any work. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent accidental starts. Familiarize yourself with your specific engine's timing marks. These are crucial for correct alignment. This initial preparation saves time and prevents errors during the process. Now, let's get to the engine. Begin by removing the valve cover and any other components that block access to the timing chain cover. This might include accessories or brackets. Next, you'll need to rotate the crankshaft to bring the number 1 piston to top dead center on its compression stroke. This is a critical step for proper timing. Once aligned, you can carefully remove the old timing chain tensioner and guides, preparing for the chain's removal. With the old chain removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully install the new timing chain, paying close attention to align all the timing marks on the crankshaft and camshaft sprockets. This alignment is absolutely essential for engine operation. Make sure the chain is fully seated on all sprockets without any slack. Then, install the new timing chain guides and the new tensioner, tightening all bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque values. After installation, manually rotate the engine 2 full revolutions using the crankshaft bolt. This allows you to recheck all timing marks to confirm they still align perfectly. If everything looks good, you can begin reinstalling all the components you removed, such as the valve cover and any accessories. Double-check all connections and ensure no tools are left behind. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, reconnect the battery and start the engine to confirm your successful timing chain replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.